Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to the Athene network. First, make sure you have MetaMask installed and properly set up in your web browser. Once that's done, open your MetaMask wallet. You'll then need to locate the network selection drop-down, usually at the top of the wallet interface. From there, select the option to add network to start configuring a custom network. Now, you'll need to input the specific details for the Athene network. This includes the network name, the new RPC URL, and the chain ID. You'll also need to provide the correct currency symbol for Athene and its block explorer URL. It's crucial to double-check every single detail you enter here. Even a small typo can prevent a successful connection, so take your time before clicking Save. After carefully entering all the network information, proceed to save the new configuration within MetaMask. Once saved, the Athene network should now appear in your list of available networks. Select it to switch your wallet to the Athene blockchain. To confirm everything is working correctly, simply verify that your MetaMask wallet interface now clearly displays the Athene network name at the top. If you encounter any issues connecting, the first step is to meticulously re-verify all the network parameters you entered. A common mistake is a small typo in the RPC URL or chain ID. You might also try clearing your browser's cache or even attempting the connection in a different web browser. For more tips and to stay refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the video description below. Happy connecting!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.